Welcome to a Business Minute with Lily Lopez, presented by the South Florida Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. With me today is Nestor Pereira, Health Advisor for USI, and today we're here at Booyah. We have a Lunch and Learn, sponsored by Paycor, AFLAC, USI, and it's going to be a very, very informative lunch for our members, so I'm very happy, I'm thankful to have you here, Nestor. Very appreciative of your membership, of the support that you give to the organization, the value that you bring to the South Florida Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. So tell me what's going to happen today at this lunch and learn that we're having here in Coral Gables.
Yes, Lily. Well, first of all, thank you so much for for helping us launch this event. USI, we are the largest middle market broker in the United States. We have over 8,000 employees and over 50,000 clients. Okay. And we basically are a broker, right, in the United States, and we have 3 lines of services: personal risk, property and casualty, and employee benefits, which is the division that I represent, right?
Okay,
so,
okay.
In
so
today's,
what do you do? So what?
Yeah, so I'm a healthcare advisor,
okay.
right?
So for example?
My main mission, Lily, is to really help employers navigate the insurance waters and make sure that we're identifying cost-saving opportunities within their healthcare spend, right? So, which brings us to today as to the importance of this event, right?
Because sometimes people don't know, right?
No.
They don't know that with you, they could save,
yes,
right?
Yes.
The USI, they could save money, but they don't know it.
Yes,
I mean, we need to inform them.
Exactly. And it's important to know that, the insurance world is, nobody controls it, right? Insurance costs are skyrocketing and, they're up the roof. But if an employer doesn't really understand how the insurance world works, chances are that they're spending more money than they should, right? So that's where a USI comes in. We have a conversation, we evaluate their benefit program, and we make sure we identify cost-saving opportunities within their programs, right?
And I have a question. For example, it would be employers with 10 or more employees, or it has to be larger companies?
Well, good question.
Or can you help everybody?
Good question. So we focus on the middle market, right? So that would be employers that have 100 employees and up.
Okay, bigger
right?
companies.
Yes,
okay.
bigger companies, right? Okay. So, and that's really where that's really where the help and support comes into play, because these companies are, have a lot of moving parts. Definitely, healthcare being the second line item, or the most expensive, the second most expensive line item within the bottom line of a company.
Yes,
it's important to really understand, right, what type of health insurance the companies have, and really with the broker, how they can save money, right? Yes, of course. And it just goes to show that when I'm representing a company that has the tools, the resources, and the people to be able to identify these savings using some of our solutions that we deployed in other clients, that really gives them an education as to what insurance is.
So if someone would need some information as to what you do, they could reach you, and we're going to put the phone number here on the screen.
Yeah.
And you'll be able to give them that one-on-one service.
Yes.
As well as you do, because I know that you're very good at that.
Yes, yeah.
And today you're bringing Paycor and AFLAC, so what is their role now today with USI at this conference?
Good question. So Paycor and AFLAC, they are the sponsors of today's event, and we work with them. They are our business partners, strategic business partners, and also members of the chamber, right? So Paycor, in a nutshell, is a payroll and HR company. AFLAC is a supplemental company, so of course, being in an insurance industry, we work hand in hand together, right? But to your first question, if anybody needs to contact me, by all means, my cell phone, and I will provide my email. And what I do is I try to create a relationship, right? It's a relationship industry, a relationship business, and it all starts with a cafecito, a lunch, a dinner, and then we can evaluate the program, right?
And usually when you visit and talk to these companies, you're able to save them, like, what percentage? I mean, I know it's a broad question, but you're always able to bring them savings, right?
100%, 100%. I mean, we have already, one of the most popular solutions that we have is our comprehensive underwriting review. And that is really where we deploy underwriters that have worked in carriers and other carriers within the nation, and we're able to identify cost-saving opportunities within the renewals.
Okay.
Right. So that is the first and foremost solution that we would actually discuss. besides other solutions as
Right.
well, right? So we just finished off our benchmarking study where 8,000 companies participate nationwide, and that gives the employers an idea as to where they stand when it comes to the benefit offerings for their employees. So again, USI, we have the tools, we have the resources, and definitely we have the solutions to be able to identify these cost-saving opportunities.
Well, I'm very happy to have had you here today on a Business Minute with Lily Lopez.
Yes.
And I'm sure the lunch conference, will be very, very interesting.
Yes, it is.
And so I want to thank you for your time,
Yes.
for your friendship, for your support to the South Florida Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. And we'll see you all next week at the same time. And thank you for tuning in to another episode of A Business Minute with Lily Lopez.